Greetings to the winner's circle. Your admiration is well-founded, but I am merely a servant. Do not worship me!
Unqobe yonke imizamo yamawashutu ngaphandle kwalo munye.
Chief says you have passed all tests but one. Only left is Wachutu's circle of death.
Funny! That's my specialty. This is it. I have to beat him. Alrighty then. I must tell you, I do not wish to fight you. Violence is no longer in my nature, but if you want it, you got it, sister! Fighting, I see. I was unaware that the Wachutus were biters! Well, why don't you try this on and see how it fits?
Ace! He's much better fighter than you.
Do it! All right! This white devil thing has gone far enough. Nobody messes with the dude!
He said, sorry, white devil, but he must kill you now.
I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose. Throw it. I dare ya. Oh, no! Don't just stand there! Throw me a spear! It's in the bone. It's in the bone. It's in the bone.
Jesus, you make him laugh. You are like sissy girl.